What's going on? This is Alex from TVape. Solid choice getting the little one. Let's go over some quick cleaning tips to make sure you get nice tasty vapor from your unit every time. First, we're going to go over the materials you're going to need. Then we'll get into cleaning and maintenance. Before you start cleaning, make sure you have the Zeus Purified Cleaning Solution diluted 40% with water, Zeus grime sticks, Zeus bristle pipe cleaners, and your Zeus grime wipes. To clean the chamber, first remove the mouthpiece. Then grab a grime stick and snap the end, releasing the alcohol. Wipe the inside of the chamber. To ensure that no alcohol particles are left behind, wait a couple minutes, then turn the unit on. The little one only has one temperature setting, so let it run through 3 cycles. While that's happening, let's tackle the rest of the parts. Remove the mouthpiece and separate it into 2 pieces. Take these pieces and place them in a Zeus Purified Cleaning Solution mixture for about half an hour. Rinse these pieces and then towel dry. For best care, we recommend that you wipe out your heating chamber after each use with a Zeus bristle pipe cleaner. And that's it. I'm Alex. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if we helped you out. Cheers, and as always, keep vaping.